Always smiling. You can't. You're here at Silverstone, right? Driving the GP track. Why would you not be smiling?
Because you ran into somebody and knocked your tracking out. So here we are at Silverstone, the Grand Prix circuit. And Nick is doing his first race, so he needs to get his overalls on very soon. But what is not to be enjoyed? It's Silverstone in the sun on the Grand Prix circuit. We'll see how we do, but whatever we do, we'll definitely enjoy it.
Look me in the eyes, tell me that you're not dreaming. You're not dreaming of somewhere far away. Look me in the eyes and tell me that you're not seeing what I'm seeing. We're so lost in the right.
It was busy. The track was very busy. Kept having to get out of the way of faster Caymans there, so I didn't hit the time I wanted. But we'll see. Races didn't matter. It's a long track. It's a long race. Let's see if I can't make up some of those places. 15th out of 19th. So, you know, and then 14th for race 2. So we'll see. You know, get some experience in race 1. See what the lines are off the start. But there's going to be a lot of cars. Bit of waiting around. Second race isn't until gone 5 o'clock. So I think I might need a power nap in between first and second races at my age.
Somebody say something race related.
Your position. You're happy with that?
Oh, look at you. Ninth.
Hang on, you mean final position?
Yeah.
I was absolutely ecstatic. No, it's like,
So you enjoyed that? You enjoyed that? Nice ninth.
Nice ninth, great ninth.
Good
Good
race.
overtaking, some good racing.
Good.
Fastest lap was a 2:34.02.
Yeah,
Pleased with
you.
that.
To be precise.
To be precise, yes. So I'm looking to try and break into the 2:33s and 2:32s on the second race. However, as we all know, it could go completely Pete Tong on lap 1.
But you're still smiling.
I'm so always smiling. You can't. You're here at Silverstone, right? Driving the GP track. Why would you not be smiling?
Because you ran into somebody and knocked your tracking out.
What's your plan for the second race? Any strategy?
Go as fast as I can for as long as I can. That's it. What about you?
I'm going to just try and hang at the back in the first lap and see what happens, and then just stay with the pack. It's quite interesting.
Why don't you just get involved in the melee and see what it looks like when it's bent?
Bloody well.
Then we'll just get it.
What happened when you got
a bit.
involved, you say?
Steve, that's what I did. In that first race, I'm hanging at the back. I'm not going to get involved. And trust me, when those lights went out, nothing was stopping me.
No, exactly.
There was no
hang
way.
about.
Even
places up on
even
the
more so when
Alex,
Lewis went by me on the inside.
This is entertaining, isn't it?
Alex would really give you a bollocking if he heard you say, "I'm going to hang back at the start of the race."
No.
Yeah.
He would.
No,
He
but
would,
I made
yeah.
2 places up, and then
What, hanging back?
no. Well, I didn't. I'm good at starts. I do have good starts.
Then don't hang back then.
Well, they get in the way, don't they? I was all
Just
bummed
push them
up.
out the way.
David told me I'd be on the outside. That was on the inside.
Yeah,
It was
actually,
on the outside.
David told me I'll be on the inside.
No, I was on the inside.
Yeah, but I got told I was on the outside.
It's too much for me.
On the right inside.
I'm going to go and get ready for the second race.
Look,
I'm
guys,
glad you're enjoying it,
guys,
though.
Carry on, but I've got to get ready for the next race. It's in an
Have we got
hour's
another
time,
race?
And we're going.
What I'd say through this point, so we can carry a bit more speed through this section. So that's something we'll just keep working on, carrying the momentum through. Downshift, attack this curve, that's good. You can actually use a little bit more of the curve if we want. We don't have to be like over it, but it can be a bit more on the red and white part. Try and touch more at this point, but then actually we can turn in earlier for this. Because what I feel now what we're doing is, we got out towards the middle of the track and then we're turning a bit too late for this right, so actually we have to ask more of the car.
Right.
Whereas you turn a little bit earlier and we load it up, it should feel better on the way in. You get to a slightly early apex. Yeah, someone's coming up, so this could be part of the reason why, you know, shit. and you let them go on.
What a great day. Absolutely brilliant.
You lie with sincerity because we haven't finished yet.
Oh yeah. Another race to go.
One more race to go.
One more race to go.
One more race.
Do it all again, round and round in circles as quickly as we can.
Absolutely. So we'll go out and have fun. And the only reason we're doing this now is because Sam's got to go home because he's got a birthday party to go to.
Oh, Sam.
Sam, what you
Birthday
like,
party.
Sam?
I thought they can't drive in the other group. We had red flags and all
The-
sorts.
yeah, well, there is
exactly.
that.
So,
But anyway,
great.
it's been a pretty good day thus far, apart from the fact I didn't finish the first race. But let's go out and have some fun.
And that
But
we
this
will.
time, if there's a gap, fill it.
Yeah.
Don't you be hanging
There's a
back.
gap.
Not going to hang
All right?
around the
Drive
back.
it like you stole it. You know.
I will, yeah.
you know all about that.
There's a
Yeah.
bit I do.
Yeah,
No,
he
it's
just
good.
takes the alloys.
Yeah.
Sam,
So we
thank
will
you.
see you.
Thanks, Sam. We'll see you. Enjoy your party.
We'll see you all
Cheers.
again at Donington.
Donington. Cheers,
Thanks,
Sam.
Sam.
Cheers, Sam.
Adios, amigos.